In this video, I will show you how to count specific characters in a range of cells in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet column, I have some cells containing color names. I want to count the specific character E in this range of the cells. But before we do that, let's first look at how to count a specific character in the individual cells. Excel does not provide any function to directly count specific characters. We need to create our own formula to count the specific letters or characters. What I am going to do is to replace the specific character with an empty text first using the substitute function. Let's specify the cell as the first argument, the letter E in the double quotes as the second argument, and an empty string as the third argument of the substitute function. As you can see, it has replaced all the occurrences of the character E with an empty string. However, since the substitute function is case sensitive, the formula did not work for the last cell. To fix that, we can use the upper function that changes the text case to the uppercase and then replaces the uppercase character from it. You can also use the lower function instead of the upper function, but make sure to specify the replacement character in the lower case as well. Next, let's get the total number of characters in these values using the len function. Finally, I am going to subtract the length of the replaced string from the length of the original string to get the count of the specific character E. As you can see, we now have the count of specific character for each cell in the column. To get the total count of a specific character in the range, we can add all these values using the sum function like this. However, we can also use the sum product function directly without the need for this extra column. To do that, just specify the whole formula we used for an individual cell as the argument of the sum product function. We also need to change the references of an individual cell with the range references inside the len and upper functions like this. As you can see, we now have the count of a specific character in the range of the cells. Watch this video to learn how to count total characters in a range of cells in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.